Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from My Crypto Paradise, and today we are going to talk about Bitcoin. We will talk about Morpheus, which hit exactly the target we have been telling you about previously, and also we will take a look at some exclusive news. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Alright, so let's firstly take a look at Morpheus. What exactly happened is that it broke this trend line, which we have been showing you in our free Telegram channels, link in the description. So we have been sharing with you and we have been bullish posting you about Morpheus when it was trading only at 350. Alright, so it have done an amazing move up. It broke this trend line, okay, which was necessary for this bullish move to continue, and it has done around 38% profit, which is amazing. And we exactly told you in the previous video as well that Morpheus already started trading upwards and it was around this level, but we told you every time there is some bullish movement with a great volume, and it broke with a great volume, as you can see here, this candle, the trend line was broken with a great volume. So every time when there is some breakout with a great volume, it always touches the EMA 200, right? Here, and in the past basically it's being respected very well. So the EMA 200 and these kind of altcoins is very important indicator, and you can pretty much put your targets, sell targets or limit orders very well based on only on this EMA 200 thing. All right, so it has done amazing profit, 40%. This is great. We have been positioning ourselves with Paradise Family VIPs, so we have made a great profit on this altcoin. We are still holding with stop loss at break even, because if this EMA 200 gets broken, it has even bigger upward movement potential. So Morpheus definitely a really great call, and we are looking forward to make even more gains on this call. It is pretty down from the long-term perspective, so it has some great potential still. As we told you already, this is a very stable fundamental project. We believe in it and we are trading it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. It's very interesting as well. It's been respecting our support zone very well. This support level $20,150 been respected. All right, it didn't close below it, not even a daily candle. The daily candle closure like below support, above support, or even on the resistance is very important confirmation if you are looking for some trending environment confirmation. So it didn't close below the support, so it's being respected very well. It didn't hit our breakout point, which I will be talking about later, but it's respecting our range low and range high very greatly. So the best thing you can do right now, as we already told you in the previous video, is that you can be positioning yourself very well, and basically the best thing to do right now until this breakout point 19,500 or 23,500 is broken, the best thing you can do is really just open long and range low, and open short at range high. Right now what we are looking for, a long position. We are already in the long position with our Paradise Family VIPs, and we will be taking profit around $21,000. Yeah, so at this lower time frame high, and we will see what's going to happen next. It's all right to open a swing position and just trade it to the range high, right? But if you want to just trade it level by level, quickly get in, get out, we think this is even better strategy in this kind of trending environment. All right, but ultimately what we are waiting for is the big move, right? If we break 19,500, we are going quickly down, and after this confirmation we can see Bitcoin trending down to $16,000, something like that. This is a strong support zone and it will hold, in our opinion. We still believe that our low at around $17,800, that Bitcoin will not going to trade below it. However, If we are going to break below 19,500, we are going down, all right, to 16,000. So again, there is a great setup idea. If this happen, we will be positioning ourselves in a short position and we will trade it aggressively to 16,000, but everything depends on the confirmation at this level. So for this, the Paradise team is watching the market 24/7. We are looking for confirmations before we enter a trade, every trade position. So really the price action, watching the price action, how the Bitcoin is behaving at the moment is really crucial in this market situation. Right now, what is much more preferable option is for Bitcoin to go to range high again. And if we break out the range high and there will be confirmation, we are going very quickly to $28,000. And again, with Paradise team, we are watching the market and we are ready to position ourselves very aggressively. And great profit can be made. Like if this resistance is going to break, there is 18% profit potential, which is great. It's really good. And the best thing is that if you are a day trader, you don't really care like if it's going to break upward or downward, because you can make money on both sides, right? So if this breakout point is going to trigger, we can make a very nice 17-18% on the downward pressure as well. So really guys, you need to understand what you want from the market. If you want to just buy and hold, you can make great gains in the long term. However, if you want to develop this kind of day trading mindset, quickly in and out, level by level with a proper trading strategy, is really good option as well. Alright, so this is Bitcoin, and now let's quickly take a look at why the big players are still keeping Bitcoin at this range, which is the production cost of Bitcoin, as we have been telling you about in the previous video already. So right now we told you already that the miners have been selling in loss, right? Alright, so this is about Bitcoin, and now let's take a look at some exclusive news. So the miners, we have been already talking about the miners in the previous video. We told you and showed you charts that miners are selling in loss, and now the Paradise team registered another confirmation that the miners are in a very critical situation. They have been sending their Bitcoins into exchanges again, and right now at the lows they have sent 5,000 Bitcoins. Alright, so what happens with these Bitcoins? They are going to be dumped, and who is going to buy these Bitcoins? Somebody is going to buy these Bitcoins, and they are already buying these Bitcoins. We have registered that today the third largest Bitcoin address added another 565 Bitcoins. Alright, so basically what is happening right now, the Bitcoins are not vanishing, they are just exchanging hands. Alright, so the Bitcoins are going from weak hands to the strong hands, to the big players who are accumulating at the lows and selling at the tops, as they always do. So they have been buying the Bitcoins, and the miners, as they are in a critical situation because the Bitcoin is trading below the electricity and production cost, they need to start selling because they have some debts, you know, so it's very bad situation for them. So the only thing which remains for them is to sell Bitcoin in a loss, so they have some money to pay their employees and stuff. So this is about Bitcoin. Guys, stay safe out there. Watch out on these levels. We will be updating them frequently, and let's see how they go. So stay safe, take it smooth, and see you next time.